Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by picking the cleanest, highest resolution photo you have, then duplicate it so you never lose the original. Open the duplicate in your chosen mobile editor. Photos on iOS, Snapseed, or Photoshop Express work well. Once opened, locate the Healing or Remove tool immediately. You don't need filters yet. Make sure zoom and brush settings are visible and set roughly to the size of the unwanted text. This prevents excessive sampling errors and saves time as you begin. Now you remove the text step by step. Zoom close and use a small healing brush to sample nearby clean pixels. You should work in short, overlapping strokes so the tool blends texture and color naturally. One big stroke often fails. If your app offers content-aware fill or sample all layers, enable it. This preserves surrounding patterns. Once a section looks coherent, zoom out to check global color flow and repeat on remaining letters, making subtle adjustments to brush hardness as needed. Finish by refining edges and matching tones. Use a clone or patch tool on areas with repeating texture, then apply selective brighten or desaturate tweaks so repaired spots match surrounding pixels. Once you're satisfied, flatten if necessary and export at the highest quality setting, saving as JPEG or PNG while keeping your original duplicate. If you see strange artifacts, undo to the last good state and reduce brush size. Then rebuild the area in smaller passes. This almost always fixes blending issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.